Ever suffered from a stuffy nose? Nasal congestion can be quite bothersome, but worry not, there's a world of effective home remedies waiting to be discovered. Understanding the cause can guide you to the right remedy. Today we will share 5 effective home remedies for a stuffy nose. Firstly, have you ever considered spicy food? The heat from spices can thin out mucus, making it easier to expel. Think about adding a dash of hot sauce or a sprinkle of chili peppers to your meals. So next time your nose is stuffy, spice up your meal. Our second remedy is steam inhalation. Simply boil water, pour it into a bowl, then gently breathe in the steam. The warmth and moisture work together to thin and loosen the mucus, providing relief. Remember, safety first. Avoid getting too close to the hot water. Thirdly, have you tried vigorous exercise? It's a fantastic way to stimulate breathing and help clear that stuffy nose. Picture yourself on a quick jog or doing a set of jumping jacks. Not only will you feel better, but you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle. The last remedies are hot tea and inhaling peppermint oil. Sipping on hot tea not only soothes the throat, but also aids in clearing those congested nasal passages. The warmth of the tea, coupled with its natural antioxidants, can work wonders for a stuffy nose. On the other hand, peppermint oil, with its strong, refreshing scent, can help clear the sinuses almost instantly. So make yourself a cup of hot tea or inhale some peppermint oil to relieve that stuffy nose. There you have it, 5 home remedies for a stuffy nose. From spicy food to steam inhalation, vigorous exercise, hot tea, and inhaling peppermint oil. Remember, these are not substitutes for medical advice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Thank you for watching.